tricky question, Olympiad question. So by exponent of x divided by 25 is equal to 60, and how we can find the value of x is unknown. So very interesting and logical question. First of all, we can write the solution of this one, 5 exponent of x, and 25 we can write 25 y square is equal to 6. Now according to the basic rule of the exponent rule, x exponent of m divided by x exponent of n, when the bases are same, so we take just only one base and we subtract their powers. Similarly, we take in here one base, x minus 2 is equal to 60. Now we can also eliminate the term of 60, we are making factor, so we can write 12 multiplied by 5. 12 multiplied by 5 we can, and 12 also we can write the further. So now taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, 5x minus 2 and log of 12 into 5. So according to their rules, we have three rules: log of x exponent of mn and n times log of m. According to the first rule, we are expanding this term, and here is the product, this will be considered mn. So log of mn. According to these rules, we are applying in here log of n plus log of n. We means we change the product into addition form, so we can write the first one is write x minus 2 n times log of 5 is equal to log of 12 plus log of 5. Now this log of 5 is divided on both sides. Dividing both sides by log x minus 2 log of 5. Dividing both sides by log of 5 is equal to log of 12 divided by log of 5 plus log of 5 divided by log of 5. So both are cancelled, this will be cancelled, this is also cancelled, x minus 2. And according to this is the rule, log of, we can write log of 5 12 plus 1. Now we transfer this result, x is equal to, we can write this result log of 2 plus log of 5 12 plus 1. So we have this result, x is equal to 3 plus log of 5 12 is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.